Page 23, Deep Singer. This is in the key of G major. It's got one sharp. Sure, you can do the scale video on G major. One octave up and down. Just know it. Starting with the right hand. The right hand has the accompaniment in this piece. It's all chords, block chords. Got a 1 chord, then a 4 chord. Second line, you're starting with a 1 chord, and then it goes to a 5/7 chord. Well, watch it. It's not what you think. And then the second line starts with a 1 chord, but look out, they're throwing you a curve. In the third measure, it's the B is changing to a C. And then the last measure, you get the 5/7 chord. If you don't want to put a thumb on that key, you can reach down with third finger. That's fine. And then back to the 1 chord. That's pretty much it. And the last line, you're starting with a 1 chord and a 5/7 chord. The left hand gets the melody. Isn't that nice? The left hand. 2/4 time. 1 and 2 and. Remember the F sharp? 1 and 2 and 3. Second line. 1 and 2 and 3. Reach down to the little finger. And then you have a rest, so you can move back up or just reach up with the thumb, and then when you play it, bring the hand up. And then the last line, look at that. Here, and then 4th finger on the reach down to the B. C sharp. Good, so. Then try putting the hands together. The 8th notes, keep them steady. Keep them out of the way. This is tricky because the left hand is legato, smooth and connected. But the right hand, you're going to be choppy. You have to be on a piano with chords because we're not using pedal. At the same time. And then you do that. Then add the dynamics. They've got 2 at the top. That's unnecessary in my opinion. All you need is the MF. That applies to the melody. You keep everything else softer than that. So the right hand is going to be soft anyway. Last measure, second line. The right hand or the left hand comes up. It has a rest, so it's 1 and 2 and. So make sure the left hand comes up on 2. And then the last line, you have a swell. You're going to get a little louder and softer. So look in the middle of it and see where you're headed. It's here. That's where you're headed. That, and then you come back. So work on, and it's the left hand. That's that. Work on that. You don't have to swell in the right hand. You can keep it soft all the way through. It's the left hand we need that in there. Now if you'll notice at the end of the second line there's a decrescendo there. It's the end of a phrase because you're not really getting soft. I mean the next line you're going to still be medium loud. So all you're doing is coming down at the end of a phrase. It's just here. And it's the right hand that has to do it. The right hand's already soft. Just try and see if you can make those, the last measure in the right hand of the second line, can you make each of those a little softer? It takes some practice. In my opinion, you don't need to worry about it because their left hand's got a rest, and that's going to imply getting softer without doing anything. So I have a little problem when they put these diminuendos and things in here, and it's like, what? They're trying to help you in interpreting the music and feeling the music. You have to feel the music or it's not going to do anything. So you learn it mechanically, get everything correct, and then you start thinking about, See, I would tend to want to come up a little bit. And then I'm going to come back down at the end of 10, I want to do that in each measure. Ba ba bum bum, ba ba bum bum. That's how I feel it. There's nothing in the music says anything. I can do what I want. So it's only at the end when they give you that swell. It's just once you get to know the music and you start feeling it, you're not going to play it all the same level. Ugh. It's got to come up and down. You have to increase and decrease a little bit in the sound. So something you experiment with. What do you think feels good? One day you may feel it one way, and another day you'll feel another. And that's the beauty of it, because you can play the same piece over and over and over and play it different every single time once you know it. Moderato, I think that's about as fast as I've been. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. It's moderato to you. Maybe that seems fast to you. Okay, whatever. So you decide what moderato is. I'd like to play it slowly together with you to double check the notes and the rhythms. May need the left hand stuff because hopefully you can get these chords in the right hand okay. 2/4 times, so I'm just going to give us 2 counts. So go ahead and put your hands up and here we go. Ready and go and.